Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the file so the conversion is clean. Open your presentation and save a copy to avoid accidental edits. This preserves the original. Next, check slide size and orientation, and embed fonts or include linked media if required so text and visuals remain consistent. Once done, decide whether notes or hidden slides should appear in the output. Finally, choose File, Save As, or Export to begin the conversion path. That first click moves you into the export workflow. Now focus on export settings to control quality and content. Select PDF as the format, then choose the slide range. Export all slides, the current slide, or enter specific numbers like 1-5. Make a deliberate choice between standard, high quality for printing, and minimum size, smaller file for email. If you need speaker notes or handouts, check the corresponding option. Also consider PDF/A for archiving. Once settings are set, click Export or Save to generate the PDF while monitoring progress. Finish by opening the exported PDF and verifying every element: layout, hyperlinks, embedded fonts, and image sharpness. If something looks off, re-export using standard quality or export slides as images to flatten complex elements. For missing fonts, either embed fonts before exporting or convert text to outlines so appearance stays fixed. If links fail, recheck link formatting in slides and export again. Make sure to save the working PowerPoint changes, and you're done, PDF ready for sharing or printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.